Yes. So there's a sample social media plan. I have taken hypothetic brand for to get you more comfortable with the planning and designing. So this is a plan for digital marketing agency. If you are working with any agency, then you might need to create plans for them as well. So you can plan, like you can target whatever channels you want to target. I have taken only 5 right now. I can take more and more, but according to monthly basis and taking keeping that in mind that there are very limited of resources for creating content, so that keeping everything into my mind, I have chosen only 5 major platforms. And monthly post, I have chosen that 30 created content and 5 curated and 10 market contents should be posted over Facebook, over the Instagram, 30 created content which includes photos and reels as well. For Twitter, 30 created content and 5 curated tweets and 25, like so many content, whatever the content it can be. So I will be posting these many tweets, these many retweets over Twitter, or for the LinkedIn, same, and for the YouTube, 1 or 2 videos in a week, something like this. So this is a basic plan. This is not a very hi-fi plan. This is very basic. You can change the numbers whatever you feel like. Let's say two. So now let's take a look over content type. So what can be the other types of content? So whenever you create a content for any brand, you always list down everything what exactly need to be posted over their Facebook or Instagram or over whatever the platform you have chosen. So for the weekly basis, what you can do, you can post some motivational quotes or inspirational quotes. Both are same actually. And then something marketing mantra, marketing tips you can post because you are in marketing agency. Then you can post marketing tips on related to that as well. You can always keep posting memes as well because memes and funny content are more likely to get more engagement over your page. You need to post memes and all things as well. Because first of all, let me just tell you the persona for digital marketing agency will be all startup owners, founders, entrepreneurs, everyone. So all CEOs who have just started their business, they will be my audience. Then accordingly, I am creating a plan like that person who is CEO. He might be interested in learning or hearing or reading about motivational related things or inspirational quotes, वगैरह. So you can take these type of posts because your audience is very focused and very serious about the life. So you take your content in that direction only. Then you can take marketing channel statistics. You might say something, why a CEO person will want to take marketing channel statistics, wanted to see it like. So marketing is something which is completely important or which is very very important for any brand, for any business, for anything. So whenever a entrepreneur comes and see a post related to marketing, because he or either he might be doing marketing, he might their team is going doing really good, or he might not do it but he is looking for it. Okay. So whenever he see my post that they post really good content, yes, this is really helpful for me, then he might come to us as a agency like I wanted to take your services, right? So that's how you can make your customer, to attract your customer. You think according to them, you first give, then you expect. Whenever you create a social media plan, do not expect lead generation or sales or anything else. Just focus towards the engagement. because social media is a platform for the engagement purpose. So marketing channel statistics you can post, then business growth related you can post, because a businessman will be more interested into reading business related things. Then life lessons, or you can just think out of the box, just create something which, you know go directly into his heart, or something like that you create. Then time management you can say, because entrepreneurs are very much focused toward time. They are so much busy all the time, so you can share some tips over time management. Then entrepreneur tips, because how to become an entrepreneur or something like that, something like this you can post. Then quiz, you can always does quiz over stories. You can always do polls over stories. So keep doing these things as well to get your audience interacted with you, because whenever you see a question and it is very either you will be like, what is exactly the answer, or you might know the answer. So in the either case you interact with that post. So that's what we want, engagement. Now when it was COVID, so it is that old so you can post COVID related post as well. And then services we offer, specific services with a good staff, you can say, like, services we have, this service we have, this services we have. You can say post like special days for a week, like anything, like you can just go for live for marketing and branding question for 1 hour. You just do whatever special day of a week, you can say like this, or make a hashtag काम की बात, something like this you can do as well. This is very basic plan. And then later, monthly basis, you can create anything related to you feel. You can just create about brand, mission, journey, client testimonials, festivals, birthdays of an employee, or anniversary, or success stories of a client, milestone if you ever hit any star performer, whatever it's like. It's you can just make at least one post for this. You can always go for festival posts as well, because festival posts are more likely to engaging. They are trending posts, just like there. This is a Diwali week. You need to create a Diwali wish post as well, and you need to start making your post into a Diwali theme or a Christmas theme or whatever it is. So you start making themes for upcoming festival, just like Amazon and Flipkart does. Now there are many more options you can go for. So you can just go through, it's very uh, basics. You can just go, congratulations post. So it's not a very difficult thing. Now let's move ahead. You can just create a simple, this is a very simple layout you can take. You can just take dates, day, whatever it is, because you always, whenever you plan a calendar, you must need to figure it out which day you are going to post what exactly. Just like there is a very common name or hashtag trends over Twitter, Monday motivation. So there are multiple people post Monday motivations. So that post is specifically for Mondays. You cannot post Monday motivation over Wednesday. So there are multiple things you need to keep in mind. What day you want to post, exactly what type of content, that you need to figure it out. And just a simple example, if you want, then you can just go for like busy days with a very boring or relatable post, and weekends you can go for the engagement post because there will be a very high engagement over weekends. So you can go for the engagement post for the weekends.